Hi guys, welcome to Study Tube channel. Today we are going to discuss in this video about the percentages. We'll see percentages from lower classes to higher classes. We'll start percentages on 5th class. For CBSE syllabus also we'll start on 5th class percentages. After completed of the 5th classes, we'll such like write the Gurukula exams like MJP, social welfare. In that exams we will see about the percentages problems. On percentages, almost 20% we have to get on percentages problems. After completed of the 10th students or complete 10th student, they will apply for PALSET such like exam. They will also get in exams about the percentages. And after completing second year also, we will see the such like exam JMains advanced. In that exams also we will see the percentages. Compulsory we will get at least one problem on percentages after completing our 10th also. Okay. Percentage. I have divided into two parts by percentages. First part we are going to discuss some basic problems and basics of total about percentage. And second part we are going to discuss only on problems. Okay. We are telling always percentages. What is meant by percentages? And where we see percentages and where we get percentages. What is the benefit of percentages? What is the use of percentages? We are going to see in this video. Let's start our videos today. Percentage. Tages, we all know all about the tages. Percent. What is mean percent here? What is mean by percent? I write here. I writing here. Percent. I divided per one part and send one part. Here it is one part and here is two part. Per means for every. Sen means all you know century. That century we written here as sen. In a shortcut we written century as here sen. Century means 100. In mathematics we are written here century 100. Okay. What is meant by percentages? We denote percentages as in this symbol we will denote. This is the percentage symbol, friends. This is the percentage symbol. Using this symbol only we have percentages topics. That's why we have denoted percentage on this symbol. Okay. Now we understood about the percentage and percentage symbol. Okay. Where we get percentage and where we see percentages. What is the use of percentage? Okay. For example, one occasion such like Dasara was Dasara occasion. I went to a cloth shop and I wanted to buy a cloth. We'll see here such like highlights 20% discount. 20% discount. Such like we will see on dresses on the cloth shops. In front we will see such like 20% discount. We will discuss discount in discount area. We will discuss. Okay. What is meant by this 20%? What is the use? What is the benefit for us? This 20%. Okay. I went and I buy a dress. The dress cost is 1200 rupees. Okay. The percentage 20%. If you have got such like this 5%, we always call percent 5% suppose. What is the 5%? How to write it in a mathematics? How to write it is in a mathematics way. Okay. This is the percent symbol is denote for this percent symbol is denote for divided by 100. Divided by 100 means here numerator 5 divide by 100. We will write this like, if we get this problem we will write this like. Okay, note down. Okay, you completed. Okay. I buy dress 1200 rupees. Okay, 1200 rupees. Cost price. My cost is 1200 rupees. Okay. On this 1200 we have 20%. 20%. 20% discount. Okay. We'll see all the shopkeepers. We do not see this percent, and we will get direct 1200 rupees for them. If I buy direct 1200, on that way we have to lose our money. If they are give this such like percents, we'll save our money. Okay, 1200. Simply use this trick here. 20 here. This is. Okay, simply write here 20 by 100 here into 1200. You got a doubt? Why you kept here? Why keep here into symbol? Okay, we got questions such like this. %20 of 1200. Of 1200, 20% of 1200 means in Telugu. I am going to on Telugu. అంటే 1200 కి 20% డిస్కౌంట్ ఉన్నదన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ మీన్స్ ఆఫ్ మీన్స్ we have to only think ఆఫ్ means compulsory here. Off is equals to multiplication symbol. Off is equal to multiplication. So written here multiplication. Okay. Simply multiply the digits. Multiply here. Divide. Here 2 zeros we cut here, and here numerator 2 zeros we cut here. We have here 20 into 12 friends. Yes, we get here 20 into 12. We simply write it as 240. If you have any doubt, I am writing here 0 4 0 0 2. Yes, 240 got here. Yes or no? Yes, 240 we got here. Such like we are going to solve this percentage problems. Next I am going to another example. Example number 2. Example number 2. A government employee, not only government, an employee gets salary 25,000 per month. I asked, what is the, if your money is not increasing, your salary is not increasing? Okay, he told that next month we are going to increase 5%. 5% we are going to increase next month. Okay. Employee. Salary. Employee salary for 1 month 25,000. Okay, 25,000. Asked him to, okay, 25,000. Next month he is going to increase 5%. 5% he has going to. How to find out? Okay, simply we know method here. 5 by 100 into 2500. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. Multiply this. If you know here, multiply. 25 into 5. 5 is 25, simply 12. He going to increase his money 125 rupees, and next month he is going to increase his money. Okay. He told And next month we are going to increase. Again he told, again I asked, he told 20%. Not only used last problem 20. Okay, we are going to 25%. Okay. Here also 25%. Okay. Simply multiply here. 25 into 25. 5 is simply 25. 12, 0, 10, 5, 6 to 5. 25% means he is going to increase 625 rupees. He has going to increase. Has to going to increase 625 rupees. He has going to increase on next month. Okay. Not only this method. If you don't know how to, I have to go in a simple way. If you don't know, simply use this trick. I told on first word problem we got 240, 20% and 1200. 240 we got 20% and 1200 rupees dress cost. Okay, simply do this trick. For 100 we given here such like 20 by 100 into 1200 to 0 we got 240. Okay. For 100 we have given here 20. For 100 20. For 200 how much? For 200 40. Okay. For 1000. Okay. For 1000. For 1000. Think for 1000. Okay. For 1000. 200. For 240. For 1000. 200. Okay, we get here. For 1000 we have got here. Here. For 20, for 40, 200. For 200 we got here 1000. Okay. I have given it in a reverse way. Okay, we got here 240 not. Okay, use this trick also. If you don't know any, I don't know, I have not mind, use this trick. On next problems we are going to use this only this trick. This trick is this percent formula we are going to use on next video. Okay friends, we are completed our denoted by and completed our all steps and percentages also, and this and completing on the percentages we are going to here completed. Next we are going to do our word problems. Okay, are you understand this? Yes. Okay. What problems? If you got this, for 15% of 250. Okay, right here. First word problem is for 15% to the 150. For 15% of here. For 15. I got for 15%. For 50% is 150. Okay. Our method is 15 by 100 into 150. Simply 0 and 0. Simply 5 2s are 5 3s are. Simply 3 by 2 into 15. There is anyone is going to cancel? No, okay. 15 3s are. Okay, 65. 65. Are you going to multiply this? Okay, see the division property. Zero has 5. Keep point and 0. Got a 50 on here. Think. We get 50 on 2 tables. We have a point also. 50 on 2 tables. Yes, you are correct. 45 is up. To 45 is 50. 45. 45 into 2 is only here. Then simply we get it. Okay, this is wrong. 45 is wrong. Next 20 for 40. For 25 we are going to here. Okay, we got here for 25. For 25, 50, okay, 0. We got here 3.25 percentage here. 3.25 percentage we got on here. Second word problem is what is the percentage of 300 is 18. Okay. This is our second word problem. The solution is simply, we know what is the percentage. The percentage is we don't know. Let's keep it as a x, simply x. X by 100 into 300 is equals to 18. Okay, is equals to, we keep here 18. 300 is equal to 18. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Okay. X is equal to 18 by 3. 3 1 3 1 3 6. We got x is equal to 6. So 6 percentage we got for 300 of 80. Okay, 300 of 80. This is about it. If we do it in a simply way, we cut it here. We cut here zeros. If there are no zeros, we have to transfer this here and putting into divided and divided into and keep this process. Okay. Our third word problem. Okay. Our third word problem is, we know some equations we are going here. Some equation. First one. Percentage to fractions, and example I take 45%. This is my question. Okay. Do simply percentage of fractions, converting percentage into fractions. The fraction formula is, we know, a by b. Convert this into a by b. Okay. 45 percentage symbol means by 100. Okay. Any cross? Any cut here? Okay. 5 9s are 5 20s are. Okay. Again 9 by 20. We got here 9 by 20. It is in the form of A by B. Okay. Here. Note down here. And we are moving to last one, that is fractions to percentage. Fourth one is we have fractions to percentage. The example is, I take it here, the example is 2 by 3. Convert this into percentage. Okay, simply I taken here 2 by 3. Percentage we have here, keep simply here 100 by, no need, okay, by 1 only. No need, keep 1. If you don't know, keep 1. 200 by 3. Divide this simply. 200. Wrapping it for 100 by 1. Okay. Is equals to 200 by 3. 3 divided by 200 here 3 6 18 2 0 again 6 again 18 again put it here point again okay 2 0 it will go on like 6 6 6 simply put 6 bar. Okay, right here as 66.6 bar percentage you got here. 66.6 bar percentage you got here. Okay friends, this is our percentage topic of today's. We are going to discuss the next topic is part 2 in next video tomorrow's. Okay, completed. Please subscribe Study Tips to get more videos. Thank you for watching.
Murder on call with the fight now. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell her dinner every night?